Now the same one, in the same what we have studied, patent. Patent means license. So the license is a special right given by the government to the discoverer. Now it is a special right given by the government to the discoverer for a period of time. As I told about, it depends upon the agreement between the scientist and the government, whether it is a 5 years or 10 years or 12 years or 15 years, whatever it is. Then we are coming to biosafety. Now this is very, very important. In many countries, including our country, a lot of researches are going on with the help of microorganisms, bacteria, algae, fungi, even viruses. Now research centers, a lot of research laboratories are present. There safety is very, very important. That is called the biosafety. Keeping the research labs with the safety rules. Now, what are the safety rules are given by the government? Everything should be followed. Okay. That is keeping the research labs with the safety rules and preventing the microbes from spreading. Now, from the lab, the microorganism should not spread. For example, now throughout the world, all the countries are having some suspect. From some laboratory, the COVID-19 viruses spread it out, came out. It is only suspicion, but it is not. But that is what identified correctly. It is not proved correctly, but it is suspicion. Suppose in the research lab, some harmful viruses, all viruses are harmful. If they are coming out of the lab, they can attack the plants, they can attack the animals, they can attack the human being. So what will happen? Pandemic. Worldwide, the microorganism, viruses can spread. So safety is very, very important. The people who are doing the research should not allow the microorganisms coming out of the lab and spreading there. Careful management and administration of microbes. Okay, from the lab, they are not coming out. But hundreds of people are working in the research labs. What will they do? Now they have to protect themselves from the microorganism. That is only careful management. Now the precautious management, they have to cover the body, they have to cover the nose, okay, microbe-proof jacket, they have to use everything. That is called the careful management and administration of microorganism. Now these two are called biosafety. Now we are coming to bioethics. Now ethics means something reality, something natural. Bioethics. Now we have to follow the bioethics. What is the meaning of it? Now naturally plants are growing, multiplying, producing rains, producing some good products, everything is there. Microorganisms are growing and multiplying in the natural environmental conditions. There is ecological balance. Ecological balance will be there. If the ecological balance is well maintained, the human beings will be benefited. Okay, that is called a balanced ecosystem, we can say. Now, whenever we are introducing artificial things, the natural biodiversity or biological products will be affected. Definitely it will be disturbed. But whenever the research is done in biotechnology, whether it is a tissue culture technique or genetic engineering or stem cell culture, whatever it is, they can do, but it should not affect the ethical, that is what organizations. Okay, the ethics of the biological products should not be affected. That is called bioethics. It is the study of ethical issues emerging in advanced biotechnology. So sometime what will happen? The natural products of vegetables will be there. But now artificially produced, that means tissue culture and other methods, we are producing lot of hybrid varieties of vegetables. Sometimes the vegetables may be harmful to the human beings. So that should not come. That type of product should not be given. That is called the ethical issue. If anything is coming like that, ethical issues. So it is the study of ethical issues emerging in advanced biotechnology. It is concerned with the life science. Life science means biology. Life science means biology. Biology means the study of plants, animals, microorganisms, everything related with biotechnology and medicine. Don't think that the life sciences are including only biotechnology. It is also connected with medicine, because biotechnology is supporting our medical science. Lot of treatment, everything is going on based on biotechnology. It is involved in genetic engineering. What is the meaning of genetic engineering? The scientists are altering the genes. That is called genetic engineering. Altering. Naturally one gene is there, but we can change it according to our wish. Then bioinformatics. It is nothing but the software where the informations about various types of organisms will be stored. That is called the bioinformatics. Human Genome Project. That means genome means the genetic constitution of the human body cell. Now, for example, in our body cell, one cell if you take in the nucleus, 46 chromosomes are there. In the 46 chromosome, enormous number of genes are present. The details of human genes should be stored in software that is called a Human Genome Project, HGP. It is one type of research. Now we have to add more and more informations in this particular one. There should not be any negative implication. This is what I told at the beginning. Negative implications from natural phenomenon. Natural phenomenon should go on. But the technology what we are using in biotechnology, medicines and all, it should not disturb the natural phenomenon, bioethical phenomenon should not be affected. We are coming to genetic engineering appraisal committee. Now genetic engineering, that means the scientists are altering the genes. I said genetic engineering appraisal committee, that means what? They are, one committee is there. One group of scientists joined together and they are always updating the informations about the genetic information and also they are controlling that. That is the duty of the committee. Genetic Engineering Appraisal Committee. Now what is it actually? It is the apex body. It is one additional body of Ministry of Forest. There is central government is having Ministry of Forest. One minister is there. So in the Ministry of Forest, one additional body is a person that is called the apex of the Ministry of Forest, Environment, that is Ministry of Environment and Climatic Changes. Another one is there. For both these ministry, one apex body is there. One additional body is a person which is joining together. Now the management of research oriented hazardous microbes in research. Now suppose in the research, if any hazardous microorganisms are present, then they have to manage very well. The apex body, that is this committee, will try to manage how to make this safety measures and all. The harmful hazardous means harmful microorganisms should not spread out. At the same time, the microorganisms should not affect the people who are doing research. That is called management. Then it is authority. This committee is the authority for the release of genetically modified organisms. Genetically we modified the organism. New varieties of organisms are coming. First the committee will go through that. If it is not going to spoil the natural plants, then they will allow them to come out. That is organisms and the products for field trial. Then only they will allow. Suppose if they have even doubt, this is going to affect the natural phenomenon, they will stop it. So that is a controlling body. Now we are coming to the future of biotechnology. Biotechnology is a branch in biology. Okay, all the modern technologies are coming under this. That is the future of biotechnology. In future, what already the biotechnologies are developing very fast. Okay, future, how it is going to be? It is going to be the comprehensive scientific venture. It is a scientific venture. Venture means it is some brave steps what we are taking. Okay, it is a comprehensive scientific venture in education and commerce. It is not only in education, even for increasing the commerce, that is a economic value of the country. Now it is a first one. Next one, biotechnology revolution will come. Okay, shortly like industrial and computer revolution. Industrial revolution long time before it started throughout the world. Now lot of modern industries have come. Now very recently, maybe about 2-3 decades before, computer revolution came. Okay, computer is entering into all fields in whether there is a commerce or economics or everywhere, medical or everywhere. Now that is called a computer revolution. Like that, the biotechnology revolution will come very shortly. Okay, already it is there, but the revolution will be there. Okay, by this we are finishing this tissue culture technique. Okay, tissue culture technique is a very, very modern technique and also very, very useful technique. It is in the field of horticulture, it is in the field of agriculture overall, and also it is in the field of microorganisms also. So that's we have completed this topic.